Welcome to Nor by Poll TV. If you're a beginner on YouTube and you're wondering why your videos aren't getting views, the big mistake. Most beginners make what doesn't work. Posting random videos with no focus. One day you post about cooking. The next day it's travel, and then funny clips. The algorithm gets confused and doesn't recommend your content to viewers. The secret strategy: find micro-trending topics. In 2025, trends come and go very quickly, especially from platforms like TikTok and Instagram. So if you see something like how to earn from Drumo or AI voiceover jobs trending, jump on it and make a video. Now, let's talk about thumbnails and titles. If your thumbnail isn't clear, colorful, or interesting, people will skip it. Use bold, easy-to-read text and bright backgrounds. A good thumbnail could be the difference between someone clicking or skipping your video. Hook viewers in the first 15 seconds. The first 15 seconds are critical. The YouTube algorithm pays close attention to audience retention, so ask a question, show proof, and tell viewers what they'll learn if they keep watching. Don't lose them in the beginning, or YouTube won't promote your video. Keeping viewers engaged is the key to more views. Break your video into steps like, first, I'll show you how to sign up, then how to earn, and finally, how to withdraw. Use B-roll and visual effects to keep things interesting. And always say, watch till the end to learn the secret. Please give it a like and subscribe. Comment below with the word START if you're ready to grow your channel. This is Nor by Poll TV.